Number Samuel Yanga Jevala Tashle, welcome back to our Kusnami channel. Ani the Tharia number Soliang into Tunduchile was some so, Tikari Lavaina, Tatanda, Tundra Digi, any Sanjulia, Le la Nebeging and Zotanda, Kawan capture some Dormuchegi, any Konglo Geju Gapshila Pebegi, Kui Tunga, Sungzi Shugore, and the Talang around the Sungzi Shuza, the Suski Sanet and the Rikon, Chogoling Landing and the staying Kayore. And the Kudinange de Garanzo one Lopsova when the Kudinangure. The Talang Aranin to the Gulam Namazol Bugu Harshue Lavaina, Garanzo one Lopsu, Sebeg, Swiss Alextenstein, Capon Suyobani, Sane Cavalli and Pepe Miri Yoba in a number of Sama, the new model to Zoyobaina, and in Yamchu Narona landing into the Gulamne, and the number of Samaliani, Bugu Shugu, and any Tenet and Yegas at Taling into the Karishue Lavaina. Tanda Ngaranzo Tanda Rinpoche Zenam Tibet Online TV ne Tanda Rinpoche Zenam Chik Nyama Tuyore on the Chukdi Ching the Chazan Tanda Ngaranzo Wana Sigi Lopsuru Tunzo Chadeore Konan Sogen Tanda di Rinpoche Zenam di Payakuten Nangsha and Tali on the Zenam Dinge Nabosole Ngaranyentum ne Bulam Shui Kain Sevaina Tanda Mangbuchik Tanda Marang Moshimba the Nina Yanchik Rinpoche Kolia Chichimba Makima the Mangbudu and Konan Solia Chibuchegi any two Yundenda and Nichige Rinpoche Tandanganzo Pesatun Tundalia and Nichige Chale Subshin Geba now Yuva dida Shemore and Dinzo Chazanga with Zenam de Jedu Sonza Taling again into the Gulamne Namasoliani Rinpoche Zenam de Bulam Shui but Samolo to Revayu.
I was very young, about 3.5 years old. My uncle monk from the local monastery used to visit our house quite often. Then each time I insist that I should go with that monk to the monastery. And once I very much insisted, and I just hold on that monk, and I refused to let him go. Then my father thought, let him take to the monastery, and the next day he can take me back. Since then I remained in that monastery as a very small child, and I was looked after by that uncle monk. About 5 years old, then I was told, being recognized as the 5th Samdong. So since then I was being very well looked after. All the facilities were there. I was recognized by the great teacher, very famous teacher, Chabji Phabungkha. Chabji Phabungkha gave a description of the village and the river and my house, and all this are given, but we are two brothers at that time. And then the names of two brothers were sent back to Central Tibet, Lhasa. The Phabungkha passed away. Then choosing me, it done by Chabji Chijang Rinpoche, the junior tutor to His Holiness. And Chabji Chijang Rinpoche says, this is the reincarnation of the 4th Samdong. So this is how it comes.
This is how he did it.
Yeah.
Konglo dun la syembana kenchen doje cha gyabje sangbu ngawa losa tenzi chuder pe sangbu choge chungne parma rap chungta ge chu ge lapdom she Konglo kur pebga shenye chenbo ngawa chimba choki u gewe shenye chu gi shabla dude da zhe so tumo we rigbe neta lamrim so la lomye ze Konglo chungi su syembana densi chenpo bande jebon su chushu ki shenye chenpo namba nga chiwo kurde shungchen la sensam ta choga mangda jik senshi ze yue.
Earliest memory of monastery is just to memorize some of the ritual texts
Yeah.
and then go through a study of a language and literature. And I lived there only up to 12 years old. And after 12 years old, I come to Central Tibet to join my higher study in the Rikon monastery. So I reached Rikon monastery in the 1951, late 1951, just after Chinese occupation.
Yes.
When I reached Rikon monastery, Tibet was already occupied by China. I have to work very hard, but I have a great teacher at my young age. My teacher was the chief disciple of the past Samdong, the fourth Samdong. His disciple was a great scholar, and he has a very unique method of teaching to children, and he is very different from the traditional, very strict teachers. He was very kind, and he knows child psychology, and he is very talented to deal with children. So therefore, my basic education from the age of 7 till the age of 12 was very sound. He never chose the subject according to his priority. He looked to my interest, and whichever I took interest, he just began to teach that. And from that, I never felt boring. What my imagination, what is my interest, and what is my curiosity.
Yes.
And then my curiosity are sometimes very ordinary or stupid things, but he never discouraged. He always encouraged to go further, to ask questions. And even the silly questions he tried to answer, and even to make it further inquiries. Most venerable Ngawan Jimpa, very brilliant teacher.
Brilliant
so
teacher.
That was my most. I feel I'm most fortunate that to get at an early age such a vast knowledge and a great scholar. Yet able to deal with the children, a child.
Chilujik tong kupya ngapchu ngagulor jin khagong ki kindu chang changwe chungne phayu du chiden ki changjub shembe chula khandu nyembar sobe kilon ki ngobu yang da she teje chilujik tong kupya chukchu logi ne gewe shuga dasar kangu nawashin phepde gyabche yogji namni tha shenyin chembo gerong kentu rinpoche che ki chungne thwesam dam chizum PT so jiri shu ba ma se jinchu phe shung ki si shu shabne shu de gya ga changshu so din shi che be da lo din som ki gendu ba nam la thani rikbe lo thi na ye Chil Committee, Ministry of Culture, Government of India ki chomi na so shenyun de kha gya gor na thu ken shenyon yu bre Höngyang phe dang phe mi gya ga so than de we shi lam de gya che ga din je ba tha da ju ki mi lang we je ba yang yu Gati Gabni ki Zegen Yongzo Lake Drup Chene, Gombu Tukche Dirchen ki Gagong Shin, Bande Gandhi Potan ki Gadin Zikuso Chushu ki Zezan la Chikdu Shushin Yubamase, Gombu Kanyi Cho ki Tuki Tamja Shito, Gongde ki Tsudu Zubla Lokata, Shenyun de Kala Teje Galup Zedan Zushin Yubache, Gu Chungar ki Chodu Gewe Tuzi Dan Dune, Ning Du Su Chodi Shubaho.